This video will demonstrate how the selection process works in Numla HR. Ola, the hiring manager, is looking for a candidate for the role of analyst cybersecurity. She generates a hiring request in which she fills out the requirements and expectations for the role, along with other relevant information. She then sends this request to the HR team for review and approval. The HR team then publishes the job on the Granicus platform. If they decide to use the Numla online job page for publishing, they can select the dates for the job posting. Once the role is published, it becomes visible to candidates, who can see the job details and apply for it. In this case, a candidate has applied for the analyst cybersecurity role through Granicus. The application is stored on MS OneDrive, and our system checks incoming applications, uses AI to detect the job reference number, and stores the application under the related job position. Recruitment specialist Maria goes to the recruitment app to view applications received for the analyst cybersecurity role. She finds a new application from Denise. The applicant's name, phone number, and email are automatically extracted from the job application. Also, the source application is attached with the record. Maria sets Ola as the recruiter since she is the hiring manager for this role and moves Denise's application to the shortlisted stage. The system also sends a notification to Ola about the candidates being shortlisted. Ola reviews the applications further, includes additional interviewers, and moves the candidate to the request for interview stage. As candidates are moved to the request for interview stage, Maria is notified. She coordinates with the candidates to arrange interviews. Meeting links are generated for MS Teams and sent to the candidates. After the interviews are completed, the interviewers log their feedback on the application and move them to the final review stage. Based on the overall feedback, Ola moves the candidate to the selected stage and notifies the HR team. The HR team checks all candidates moved to the selected stage and sends out reference check forms. The HR team also sends contracts to the selected candidates using DocuSign. The candidate then accepts or rejects the contract. In this example, the candidate has signed the contract. Once the contract is signed, the application is moved to the contract signed stage, and the candidate is recorded as an employee. The HR team further coordinates with the newly hired employee to request private information needed to complete their profiles. Numla HR streamlines the hiring process, from application receipt to final selection.